Jan from Bel Air has a question about a water heater.
There may be a new one in her future.
Yay!
But when is the question, Tom? When is it coming? She says, I think I will need to replace my hot water heater. She doesn't say why, but she asks, I've heard that hot water heaters have gotten more expensive. Should I get a tankless one instead?
Not necessarily, but everything gets more expensive. 20 years ago, the water heater was like $300. Now it's going to be up there.
Significantly more.
Yes. I mean, it got inflation. We can go to all that. I'm not going to go there.
Sure.
But they have to become more efficient. They have to meet new standards all the time. So, yeah, they get more expensive, and they get better, actually. The more efficient a unit is, whether it's air conditioning, water heater, or whatever, the better they have to be made.
Yeah.
You can't make something efficient lousy. It's really difficult, although there might be some cars out there.
I've seen some pretty lousy efficient cars.
Yeah, okay. The K car. Okay, we won't go back to that part of history. But as far as it goes, when it goes out, you'll know either one of two ways. One, it'll start leaking, or two, it'll just quit giving you the water, the hot water that you expect from it, and then you go ahead and replace it. The tanked water heaters will always be less expensive on a retrofit, at least for now, than putting an on-demand in. So it's not that they're going to be the same price yet at all.
So when do you make that decision to go from tank to tankless?
Well, tankless always on a new home.
All right.
I think when you get new construction or you do a major remodel and you're replumbing everything and you're adding rooms, you go to trifection, they're doing this whole house thing, then you can do it. Because I like to see them on the outside of the home. And I don't want you to replumb your home, run new gas lines, and do all this. Usually on a retrofit with a house, you pretty much stay with the type of system you have, unless, like I say, you're remodeling or you're building new.
Fair enough. Well, there you go. Guess we covered that. Let's get your rubber ducky and get busy.
Okay.
Send us your question. He's just no fun.
I'm just not sure where the rubber ducky came in.
Well, you got hot water. You're in the tub. You got soapy water.
I'm a shower guy, so I don't relate.
For you there, Tom.
I don't relate.
Why don't you send us questions? We'll connect the dots for you. Go ahead and send it to HomeShowRadio.com using the Ask Tom form at HomeShowRadio.com.
Rubber ducky.
You're the one.
Yeah.
You make bad times so much fun.